is here.
Hey, look at the person sitting next to you and say, you sure do look good tonight. I'll tell you what.
A baby in a manger, wise men from afar. My favorite time of year, Christmas is here.